plenty, Tankuna plenty, and welcome to Hala Ya Mata. My name na Big Fowl and Tankuna very much for gluing yourself where una don't put una self for front CMTV entertainment no ever day enough. Hi, my name na Big Fowl. Sorry, Big Fowl. Namibi Hala Ya Mata remix. We'll get some very special program today, and it's all about Biggie 237. When I come back, we go Hala the matter. Tankuna plenty will come back. La vie de l'homme blanc chinois. I tell you, say, make life no sweet so. Una understand? Make life no sweet so. Biggie 237. I tell you, say no, now the best thing we don't ever happen for Cameroon this. Biggie 237. Oh yeah, oh bosso. Hey, but we will go for the news. Fire cash for Biggie 237 house. Hey. We don't come see something. Fire cash. Say no. May I show you the video first, then I come back. Video. Hey. Mommy. Yes. Excuse me. Where did my cough go kill me? Now who get Mexico cough? I hear say Mexico cough na njanja moto we shit for foul. Not true. Me will come back for the truth. Fire cash. Na fire that. I see how we get the Dodge fire. They say they be Spider-Man. Special effects no day. Man Dodge fire so what? Now they think the way when I want come go for modern setup when a gas cook a day for day. Where you don't dey cook for fireside. For you for talk say you no know. I want to show everybody that no, I hoof cook. I hoof cooking. Now eat that. Fire, boah, oh man, sharpum. Hey, big brother. I say, hey, big brother. Why you go buy small gas cooker? Where see as the hi Papa Jesus. You go buy small gas cooker. You for even buy professional one, Look at what you are done to yourself now. If I have a bond now, so my begin for dinner, you for talk everything. Good luck say they don't contain the situation and everything is all right. Biggie 237. Me reality TV no sweet so from no sound to sound to music. Una go to play Nigerian music for Cameroon program. Where if you look save the other people their own, nothing. We will come back for that one. From no sound to waiting, nana fire. And I surely that kind of cook the way they don't talk and say, me you no put iron pan for day. That guy they carry iron pan. Hebrew, fire, boah. The whole place. I need to see something the way it happened for the Big Brother house where I know the life. Why support picking their own thing in this way? Support picking their own thing and know the ever correct. I will tell you. You know the ever correct. Hexiva. Now waiting. Hexival. What is wrong? We need to make people that answer the question. Because it's true. Your face, they don't put on a one time. They don't put you for flyer on a one time. And the one flyer that where you did it. They don't present all 25 contestants. They all. You know they did. But you did for inside us, I did see a dada for day. Biggie, explain. Now what did they happen? Now what did they happen? Now why would I ever forget to put Hexiva for flyer? Why? Is there a problem? If problem they will not talk. If problem they will not talk. If na say he enter the house na through smuggling, will not talk. Because they support to keep their own thing they so will not ever know. But if it dey for show, so they present it, they make up, they can't interview you, so they pass, go enter for inside house. But now flyer they come on and they put all flyer, say no na contest and they need na contest. In face, in name, in no day. That one are for waiting. If problem they will not talk. If problem they will not talk. Hexiva, you never put oil for play where you will get to put oil on a how. But you know say, actually this thing is very good for you, Hexiva. Because excuse me, they cough over plenty. Excuse me, Hexiva, you know say this thing they very, very good for you. They don't present all contests and then they never present you, but you dey inside house. So tell me they go start vote, your name no go dey for voting. So finally, now you don't win. Because they tell me they go one vote, your name no go dey for voting. No man no go vote for or against you. So finally, now you go bring her. So Pop King, also. You hear? Yes. He did say now any man they choose his side. Any man they choose his side. What a big foul, big bow will choose now whose side. Now for day now where the trouble day. Now for day now where the trouble. Papa Jesus. I did tell you now something. I say big move curriculum. For the kind of talk them where they give a talk up for Big Brother house. He move curriculum. Curriculum means say he move list. Say Monday na the kind talk when I give a talk. Tuesday na the kind talk when I give a talk. Wednesday when I give a talk the kind talk. Hi editor, bring me that list. May I show people. Languages. Papa Jesus. Hi. Oh. It that means it talks say for Monday. For Monday, all man they turn English. That means any man they talk, hey yo, how are you doing? Utuna, where are you going to? That kind of thing. Oh man, strictly English. Man don't know English. Now you know. Tuesday, na Afransi. Je vais doser les dossages des dossiers. that way they be sing now the day is over for French. Me I be there for back class is smoke kwanda. Then they say Wednesday na pidgin English. Wednesday all man give a talk na pidgin. All man. I need to understand why this thing is very important. Why? Why all man give a talk na pidgin? Oh. Then they say for Thursday, when I talk franc anglais, that means say broken French. Mon frère, tout joue dans le way là, parce que quand j'ai joué, non, la petite fille là m'a chancé, elle m'a dit que hey, que toi-même c'est comment, non? Na voyez où na voyez French. Una goje something say French. Arrêtez una. That means hi, big 237. I say my job before every day. That means una they disgrace me na tous les jours. Then now on Friday they talk French. Saturday una talk English. Then now for Sunday now una be bilingual. Una talk English and French. Aye, memba wone kwabeta. That means you gather 125 people, they so only for can tell them how to talk language. So you gather 25 people, only for can tell them how to talk language. Begin to yourself. Then the one way it don't really people don't talk am for internet, talk am for Facebook. That book when na only will face them day. Hi, big 237 make content no sweet so. I say na special 237 halaya matter this. Special. Even though we will talk about some very other important things. Vicky Fokala, the way them be put all man for house. You be index some periphery. You index see. Them say you were very rudimentary. They say you quashy. I never ever know until myself I go she down, I wash her, and truly, Vicky, that one was below the belt. Now so they call her below the belt because it made me a talk for una. Brown Popsy they so made me I put them in very blunt terms. Excuse me the way I go put them, but they say I'm looking for crazy woman. That is how it is. And we know all the struggles then we that kind of stigma we bring up for your life. And if you see a young man where he don't go through all that and he be smiley and all the time, he crack jokes and all the time, and then you choose for indexing for that manner. Then you bring him the memory of a sick mother. That one is below the belt. We get the picture for Brown Popsy in Mami na yin that so. A Brown Popsy in Mami that the other one where it no clean. I am Mami that. And you imagine all Massa no Vicky. You don't born, non? Toi donné bas. Ça ne se passe pas comme ça. Even me myself, I don't wish the one for my enemy. I don't wish him. Because I know it was too degrading. But very, very fortunately, you have done something good. Thinking say you be too bad. You have brought a situation out of life. I even gave a thank you more, yes. I even gave a thank you more. I even gave a thank you more because you help for expose something where that boy want try for hide down, and it don't even bring in more sympathy to the boy. When the people they sympathize with him, and surely if he bring out self, if he make himself a win. So Vicky, thank you. Thank you for misjudging. So, I don't even know. I just talk now say, right? Maybe self the boy no want to make people know. Maybe the boy no want to make people know. And sometimes self he was vocal about it because from which way I go research the picture be there for internet things. So he was so proud about his mother. We even get some post them where he talk about her. We even get post them where they talk about her. Where he shows say no, say mommy nowhere. But the thing what you do now say you remind me, say mommy nowhere, and where that one. Even self to. Everything correct, may wouldn't not. You can't do that. Not on live television. Not on live television. Why? Wamba woman ne kwabata. Hi! Vicky. Vicky. Then when you do that kind of thing, so they can't hold you to for internet too now. They start cause you start feel some kind. The only thing I say we careful learn for keep our boundaries, even though this show business so it make them people them the people them the do the way they don't get for do just forget traction. Yes. Forget a little bit of attention for themselves. But I want to talk, say these ones will be very, very low. It is under the belt. That means say you really, really rub them in and we high. You really see wound, so you go add pepper for day. May not correct. Then you don't even make yourself, the boy self don't blow. It don't blow. People they talk about it now, the whole place. So they think they don't come out vote for Brown Popsy, vote for the one. Well, what is your talking and say you be a woman and you don't born, I beg, even self now waiting. Will you be happy? Say, make someone they cause you applicant time when you get some situation. Say someone will use you for cause you applicant. Even if you be the doer innocently saying a joke, but that was no joke. That was no joke. But anyhow, you do good, Sha. You do good. You do good because say you don't bring out something, you don't make it be more obvious, and then it go surely play to Brown Popsy a favor. It go surely play. At the year say plenty people don't come in for supporting for all that. But we will talk about all those one them in the next edition. Vicky, thank you. Brown Popsy, stay you for house where fire the cash. Fire, they don't lose the fire. Yes. Stay you for house. May oughting, they find. Play your cards right. Just with that story, so it is so sympathetic. Even say you come out say first man, sometimes say you go get money past the man where he go win. Because they all we know. From the way we has the goal. Winner for this thing go get na 25,000 with one back and the right. So from how would this share? Okay. Yes. There is some other thing there for network. It don't catch my attention. Now you I want ask him say. Biggie 237 be better than Big Brother Niger. Hi! My internet no sweet so. Push one fine pass. Because say, I go show you some small video where IK presenter for Big Brother Niger, put him for a status. Now he blow up the whole thing. He blow him up. We will see the video.
This is Big Brother. Housemates, now who shit no flush that toilet? Housemates, now who shit no flush that toilet? This is Big Brother. Housemates, now who shit no flush that toilet? This is Big Brother. Housemates, now who shit no flush that toilet?
Freaky Table is brought to you by Nikki Hit Beauty Studio.
Actually, I don't know why IK choose for put that in for Instagram. But actually, from which way me I see nobody IK make the video. Like from every other, if you know a Nigerian accent and then you know a Cameroonian accent in pidgin, nobody IK make that video. You know, say time when this Big Brother thing be start, I am some couple of videos they be there on social media, of YouTube and Facebook where people they be do parody. And I say they be put sound for the video, then when they no be get sound. And everybody be put whatsoever way he want put. But another one catch IKI because actually he understand what we mean and all that. But he choose for share up. It brings so much controversy. So much controversy. Nigeria people enter for inside. Kosh Wabigi 237. Kosh Wabigi 237. Cameroon and then too they enter for inside. Kosh. If you see the messages I be a little bit sorry say I know if you bring some of the posts them for here I be a little bit sorry because of some time constraints. I know if you bring the post them for here but it was hilarious. That means say if funny so they now you are the one ask this question. No, I the one bring some small conclusion. Actually, for right now, Biggie 237 is more entertaining than BB Niger. from every indication. Because, okay, we don't shift the boundary. Because as Nigerians, they don't enter in, they come for, can't give all their criticism, but they don't know, say they help for publicize the show. So, IK, thank you very much. At least this is what we need. We need all those things. But some blockheaded and very stupid Cameroonian them, I know a bunch of them. Now say I'm not going to call names. Wanna mind they think like say wanna I need you to understand. I want to tell you something. There's nothing like bad promotion. For the at this world day. So IK, thank you very much. You don't put we for some place. Even though it's a little bit negative, but we take it. Negativity is never bad. You understand or no? Negativity is never bad. So IK, we thank you very much. You be wagram. You understand or no? You be wagram. So thank you. Hey,